Yet another meditation app or a real innovation? You can find out yourself in this video.
Sit comfortably, upright, and relax your body. Bring your attention to your breath. Just observe it.
Today I want to share the Contemplation Machine, an app I created when I couldn't find what I needed. I was searching for a meditation app that would let me create my own guided contemplations based on texts that matter to me. Despite many meditation apps on the market, none offered this capability. Contemplation sits between study and meditation. It's about holding your mind steady on meaningful ideas until they sink in deeply. This open source tool helps make that practice simpler and more accessible. I hope you find it as useful for your practice as I have for mine. When we start the Contemplation Machine, we can directly go to the Contemplate tab and choose one of the pre-built contemplations and just start the session here. However, the real power of this application lies in the building of your own contemplation. Therefore, we go to the instructions page and create a new instruction file, which will become a short meditation of the 4 immeasurables. I have prepared the 6 instructions already. I paste them into the instruction field and press the Add button. This adds a new instruction file and we can scroll down and see it here. Now we use this instruction set on the configuration page. Here we can create a preset for our new contemplation. But what is contemplation? Let me explain briefly. It's the practice of steadily holding your mind on a single topic, allowing deeper insights to naturally arise. In the Tibetan Buddhism tradition, contemplation is part of the threefold training: study, contemplation, and meditation. First, we learn, then we deeply reflect, and finally, we integrate these insights through meditation. But contemplation isn't limited to spiritual practice. It can help you in supporting personal growth, boost creativity, and deepen your understanding of almost anything. The key is repetition and sustained attention. By staying with an idea longer, new connections and insights emerge. Back on the configuration page, we set the duration to 1 minute for this brief example. We want to use the voice guidance from ElevenLabs and have to provide an API key on the settings page, which requires an account on the ElevenLabs site. I paste in my into the key field and test it. Now I save it and return to the configuration page. Use voice guidance is checked already, so I choose the ElevenLabs voice autumn whale. I can choose a start and ending bell if I like. We could start the contemplation right away, but I save it for further usage by pushing the Save New button. I provide the preset name as Brahma Viharas and note that I use ElevenLabs voice autumn whale and that it is in English. While the interface language is English, the contemplation language can be almost anything. Now I change to the Contemplate page and choose the newly configured contemplation. I invite you to a 1-minute contemplation together with me now, or just skip to the next section about the installation.
Let us abide in stillness, establishing mindfulness and presence. May all beings be free from enmity and danger. May they be happy. May all beings be free from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings not be parted from the good fortune they have attained. May all beings dwell in equanimity, free from attachment and aversion. As far as the vastness of space extends, so may our wish for the welfare of all beings.
Let me show you how easy it is to install the Contemplation Machine on your own computer. The simplest approach is using Docker, which handles all the technical details for you. If you have Docker Desktop installed, you just need to search for Contemplation Machine in the Docker Hub. Here it is. You can see I'm pulling down the image now. Once it's downloaded, I'll click Run to start a new container. The only setting you really need to adjust is the port. I'll use 8010. Everything else can stay at the default settings. Now the container is starting up, and in a moment we can open a browser and access the application locally. And there it is, the Contemplation Machine running on my own computer. Just briefly about the technical side. The application has a Node.js backend and a React frontend. It's a fairly simple architecture designed to be lightweight and portable. In my own setup, I run it on a home server. Actually, it's just an old MacBook that I repurposed. The application runs in a Docker container, and I can access it from any device in my home. I've also set up Tailscale, which is a secure networking tool, so I can access my Contemplation Machine from anywhere. It's a simple but effective arrangement that gives me access to my contemplation practice wherever I go. As we wrap up, I want to share that this tool has genuinely helped me to deepen my own contemplation practice. There's a bit of a backstory to how it was developed. The entire application was created in just 4 days with the assistance of GitHub Copilot in agent mode. It's been quite a learning journey and a testament to how accessible development tools have become. I have actually created a blog post about it, and I'll link it in the comments. This concludes the presentation of the Contemplation Machine.